This may look like just a mess right now, but we were sent this ride-on UTV. I like to call it a side-by-side car, suitable for 3 to 8-year-olds, has a top speed of 5 kilometers per hour, a weight limit of 63 pounds. It's 4-wheel drive, so it can handle a lot of variety of terrain. It touts 4 powerful engines to be able to go over little tiny bumps, and that's not going to go up huge hills, but this will provide a significant amount of fun for the kids that you have in your life. I have all the parts laid out here. I'm going to put it together, and I'm going to share with you any challenges, any quirks, any things that need to go to make it successful. All right, let's get started. All right, got the first stage done here with the front axle installed. There's a washer that goes on here and then a cotter pin. And then there is the short bolt with a nylon lock washer or lock nut on there. It does not come with the tools that you need to be able to tighten that up. So I just used an adjustable wrench and then a Phillips screwdriver. Front axle's ready to go. Now it says to be able to put together some of the trim pieces. One thing on here, the directions, they're kind of hard to see. The pictures there are not really clear. The color contrast just off, so that makes it challenging to be able to see it. But the written instructions are pretty clear, and then you just have to visually kind of see the parts that are loose and how they go together. So, all right, let me get started with the rest of it. All right, it is completed. Couple little things of note to make sure that you're aware of how it goes together. On the seat, there are 2 screws, top and bottom. I actually had to put quite a bit of pressure pushing on the seat this way to be able to get the screws to go in, but I was able to make it happen. Make sure that you are keeping all the screws in place because you need 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 screws total to be able to put this back decor on. Just make sure that you're keeping track of all of those screws, and everything else came together. All right, so now my kids are very excited. As you can see here, they're all over the place, and they're really excited to be able to test this out. A couple things that you have. You have the option as the parent to control the movement through the remote control, or you can let them do it on their own. Mine are old enough, so I have the confidence that they know how to do it. There is a button here underneath this cover that can control the high and the low settings for that speed, and then also can control the lights. There's tail lights and headlights on this, and then the high-low button on it. You can actually lock that as the parent. You can get a screw and put a screw in the hole to be able to keep that little cover closed, and that way they don't have access to that. So on the steering wheel here, there's 2 buttons. One will do music, has built-in tracks for it. The other one's a horn. This thing also can have a USB stick put on it to be able to have music in it. It does have preset buttons here. It's also Bluetooth, so you could connect it to your phone or your speaker or your music system. On the remote control, it uses 2 AAA batteries to be able to operate that. All right, you ready? So Jade here is almost 8, and you can see that, you know, her legs are up pretty high. It's a little bit tight fit. How's it feel for you?
It feels good. I mean, just right for right now, because if you're like 3, you might be fitting, and then you can do like a 2 area.
Okay, so maybe if you have smaller kids, you could put 2 of them in here, but definitely only 1 if it's a big kid. There we go. She's even doing a little off-road action with it here. It's on low speed. So if we wanted to go at a high speed, then we would change the button to high speed, but this is what low speed is. All right, pretty cool. So that is how it works. It comes together really nicely. It's pretty easy to follow. It's gonna be a lot of fun to be able to have this available for the kids. I know your kids will love it as well.